6 ways to double your weight loss with morning exercise. Want to burn more fat? By making your workout a priority as the first thing you do in the morning, you will greatly increase weight loss and fat burning potential. Read more to find out why. Early to bed, early to rise might be an old-fashioned notion, but when it comes to getting up early to work out, there may still be some truth to that saying. For some of us, morning is an ugly word. We are night owls and we don't get anything accomplished before noon. But, making your workout a priority as the first thing to do in the morning could greatly increase your fitness success. 1. Consistency. Working out in the morning is the best way to set up a no-fail schedule. It helps you stay consistent with your workouts because there are far less things that can get in your way in the morning. If you wake up early, before any other responsibilities of the day are involved, there are little to no chances that other things will push your workout out of your schedule. 2. Metabolism. Working out first thing in the morning will help you rev up your metabolism at the beginning of the day and keep you energized all day long. This will help you burn more calories throughout the day as well because your body will stay in exercise mode. This effect is called post-workout burn and it can keep going for up to 24 hours. 3. Appetite control. Many people find that working out in the morning helps them stay focused on healthy eating for the rest of the day and they don't feel as hungry either. This means a healthy lunch, no afternoon munchies, a healthy dinner, and a whole day of healthy eating. Who would have thought that working out can also help you stay on target with your diet? 4. Mental clarity. It's been scientifically proven that exercise helps to clear the mind and increase focus for up to 8 hours after your workout. Wouldn't you like to benefit from that boost of smartness throughout your workday? Who knows, you might even get a raise. But, if you wait until evening to complete your workout, you will be really smart while you sleep, instead. 5. Hormone levels. Your hormones are at optimal levels for an effective workout first thing in the morning. Taking advantage of this will help you see more results and it will be easier for you to complete your workout in the AM. Also, after you complete your workout, happy hormones will be at high levels and help put you in a great mood for the rest of the day. 6. Less distractions. The early morning hours are usually more peaceful than any other time of day. Working out during these hours will help you to have less distractions and your mind will be clear from any other thoughts or stresses. This will allow you to put forth the best effort in your workout and also collect your thoughts, so you can tackle the rest of the day. So, your day will go a lot smoother and so will your workouts. Thank you for watching this video. If you feel valuable and meaningful to you, don't forget to give me a like and share button so that others will receive the same value as you. Please comment down below if you have any questions. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you press the subscribe button below and click on the notification tone to get the earliest notification every time I release a video.